Hey guys, so for today's episode, we've got our buddy Nick's Q50 up in the air, and if you can remember the last time that you saw it, it was shooting like 5-foot flames, and we told you guys that we had something special coming up. Our plans for today is to put a new exhaust on this, a single exit, and because the ISR orders are kind of backed up in China indefinitely, doesn't really affect us super amount because we can fabricate anything at this point. So that's what we're gonna do today. We are going to make a custom single exit out of all these vibrant performance parts right here. Yup. Ryan, give me a rundown. What do we got here?
Well, here we got the current Y pipe that's on there is 2.5, so these are 2.5 into a 3-inch.
Okay.
And then from there we got a nice 3-inch straight pipe.
Huge. We got all the pipe in the world to get this done.
Somewhere along there we're gonna put this resonator in.
Yes, this is a massive 4-inch vibrant performance resonator. Thing's beautiful.
And then sticking out the back's gonna be this sweet muffler.
Woo! Also vibrant performance.
Also from Vibrant.
Yeah. And that thing's massive.
Yep.
We're going for a deeper tone with this resonator on there. I know we've been showing a whole bunch of cutting resonators out, but Nick wanted his car to have a nice deep tone to it. So we're gonna try to get that all put together. Right now, it's got NVIDIA going on. And as you can see, when we follow it up here, we've got an X pipe. And what we're thinking, the plan is gonna be, is if we can modify this slightly, we can pull this in, cut these flanges off, and then we will do the 2-to-1 conversion right here. And then we've got the whole back side of the car to just create a custom pipe. So what we're thinking is if we come over here this direction, it'll lock in on this side of the car, and then we can wrap back this way. And it's essentially, you know, recreating the ISR, but straight up Mills Garage custom style. So that's the plan. We'll knock it out as we go, and we'll take you along with us.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we just cut to, and we took the exhaust off. We figure you guys have been seeing us do that a million times. And then we've got up here that we're gonna be dealing with, modifying this a little bit. And so our idea is maybe to cut these flanges off and then see where we're at, right? Or actually, you know what? We can see if we can.
Yeah, I don't know if I want to flex them.
Okay. Well,
we'll see.
Yeah, we'll see.
We're gonna get these off.
Cut those off, and then we might modify right here and here, and then weld it in a little bit closer.
Mm-hmm.
But that's where we're at. Cool. All right. So, as we showed you, we cut a couple of slits in here, wedges, and then heated it up, hit it with a mallet, and suddenly, now at the ends, it looks perfect. And so,
This pipe can go right on there.
yeah. Now we don't have any crazy pressure stressing out the center of this anymore, and we just gotta weld it together.
Yep.
Yeah, this is coming along nicely.
Let's mock the rest up first, and then I guess we could take this down at least and weld the flange to here, and then from there we can go to the rest.
Okay, cool. So we'll knock this out real quick.
Yep. Because these parts ain't going nowhere, we can weld those last.
That's a good idea. Beautiful. Cool. Look at those welds. Woo. That is awesome. Super legit. Awesome work, Ryan.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now,
put this back in there, and then we got to figure out the rest of our design. We're gonna go straight pipe a little bit into the resonator.
Yep.
And then go from there.
Cool.
And then once we get the straight pipe, we can weld the flange on the other end of the straight pipe.
That's sweet.
Perfect. Good distance up there.
Yeah. Good clearance.
About as straight as we gonna get.
Cool.
Cool.
Yep.
So, we need to mock something up.
All right, so we've got the resonator going on and a smaller pipe extension, the 3-inch. We're gonna put a flange right here. And this is looking nice and pretty.
Yeah.
Now we've got a hanger right here to work with. And then we're going for that exit over here. So we're gonna do a little bends over here with a hanger. Work with this hanger and stick it out the end.
Final stretch.
Right? We've got it. Got the Y pipe all welded up, and we got this beautiful resonator. Comes up to the sway bar, right up there. Comes down a little bit. It's coming around, and now we got our final curves that we're mocking up.
Now we need to go that way.
Yeah, that way, and then hangers and everything, the muffler. But we're getting there.
Yep.
So, yep. So this is coming along beautifully. Right up here, we're having an issue where this thing is just massive. So there is a non-structural piece right here. You can see that this is structural, that's totally structural. This is kind of just a flimsy piece of aluminum. So we're gonna do a small semicircle cut right here, just so that we can lift it up about 1 centimeter. Just so that we can lift that thing up a little bit higher and make it so that it's not dropping down, honestly, about 3 inches. So we don't want that.
Yeah.
Yep. Cool. All grinded up. Got an opening now, and so we are working on hangers. Well, at least one of them.
Yeah.
We've got a hanger mount or location right here, and we're thinking.
Now going sideways with the hanger.
Okay.
So we can get a nice inch-long weld on the top and bottom.
Yeah, and that'll.
Which will be nice and sturdy.
Cool. Much more sturdy than the other exhaust spiral.
Yeah.
But that looks nice. Cool, so mocking that up, and we'll go ahead and weld that up.
Cut it there. That's all we need.
What you got there, Ryan?
It used to be a 90 degree.
Yeah.
Now it's 110, whatever. It's bigger than a 90.
Yeah. We basically did the whole cut and bend thing that we did in the front because we don't have a pipe bender. Those things are like $4 grand.
Yeah.
So we're working our way up to that, but.
So now we're basically almost perfectly straight to here.
Yeah, so
all we need is a little pipe.
Just a little bit of gap there. We're gonna be connecting the hanger directly up here, and then we will have the rest of the exhaust coming out the back. So
yeah,
just a little bit more, then we can drop the pipe that we've fabricated, and then there's a whole bunch more welding.
Oh yeah.
But we are totally getting there.
Yep.
Yep.
Let's do it.
Cool. at that. We've got it all tacked up. So now, next step is we need to drop this all back down and weld it all up.
Yep.
Yeah, got good clearance. Looking pretty. All right. Yep, so that is creating a Mills Garage custom exhaust. And if you made it this far, you liked the video. So make sure to smash that like button down below. Make sure you subscribe, share with all your friends. We're gonna go ahead, lower this down now and let you hear what a custom exhaust sounds like from Mills Garage Customs.
Yeah.
Yeah. Woo. Woo. Got such high profile tires, I didn't realize it was.
Here we go.
Woo!
Thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below, and share the video. And we'll see you next time. Mills Garage.
Yes. Perfect. Woo! Ah.
Damn, that flames are gonna be loud.
Yeah. Next time I'll show you the flames. 'Cause I don't know how to turn on. All right, and so that is a Mills Garage custom exhaust. And if you made it this far, you made the video.
You made it this far, you made it this far.
You did. Thank you.